So yesterday marked 2 years since I bought this Black+Decker trimmer and sweeper combo set. I thought I'd do a quick review on how they've been holding up after 2 years of use. So one of the cool things about this, if you're like me and you like Black+Decker products, this is an awesome kit to get because their batteries are interchangeable, and this comes with 2 batteries. So basically you can take the battery off the blower and put it on the drill and vice versa. But even if you only have the 2 batteries this kit comes with, it's nice because if you're doing a project that needs more trimming than cleaning up, you can use a battery and a half on the trimmer and then still have half a battery on the blower. And then in the fall, when there's a bunch of leaves you need to clear up, you can use both batteries one after another on the blower. The weed whacker works great. I have not had any problems with it. The length is easily adjustable and the batteries actually still do a great job holding a charge. I'd say my front and backyard is slightly above average, but there is more than enough charge for me to go through it all on one battery. And it's easy to flip it over into edging mode and it does a pretty great job there too. The leaf blower does a good job for what it is. You have to keep in mind it is a battery powered blower. So you have to manage your expectations. It's not gonna compete with the gas powered blower. I'd say it's pretty close to one of those plug-in electric blowers when the battery is completely full, but as the battery gets weaker, there is some drop in power. It's enough for the average household just to clear some grass off areas after mowing the lawn or getting some leaves off your yard, but I don't know how it would hold up for someone with a large property. That being said, I prefer this one over the plug-in one I used to have where I'd have to drag the cord after me everywhere. So in the end, after 2 years of use, I'm still very happy with my purchase and it does exactly what I need it to without any issues.